In this video, I will show you how to convert SARS or the South African Rand to Bitcoin on Luno. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Luno on your device. And once you're logged in, you want to come down to your wallets. So if you look down at the bottom, you're going to see in the middle there, your wallet. So you want to press onto that. Now, being in the UK, I've only got access to my local currency, which is Great British Pounds. However, if you're in South Africa, you will have access to the ZAR, South African Rand. What you want to do from here, you can see some options at the top. So you just want to press onto buy. And then what you want to do is select individual coins and go ahead and choose Bitcoin from the list. Now what you can do, you can make a one-off purchase, or you can set up an order for like a monthly, weekly or daily buy. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go for a one-off purchase. And then from here, you're going to see your South African Rands and of course how much is in your wallet. So what you want to do now is enter the amount that you want to pay. So I'm going to go ahead and put 10. Of course, this is Great British Pounds, but for yourself, this will be in South African Rands. And then click next at the bottom. So you're just going to get a note for myself, which says your crypto will be available for sends after 14 days. So what I can do is just go ahead and click continue to buy. What it's going to do is give you a quick review of how much you're going to receive and the cost, along with any service charges if that's applicable. If you're happy to go ahead, click the confirm button underneath, and that's how you go ahead and convert South African Rands to Bitcoin on Luno. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.